will have a look at urban superstitions. And this time the superstitions are of a different kind. These are notions which we hold to be dear, which we hold to be true, which we hold to be facts. But alas, these are none of these. And the first notion is, it is not mathematics that 1 plus 1 will always equal 2. How many times have we heard this phrase? And what we mean to say is 1 plus 1 is a straightforward calculation which always yields the result as 2, especially in mathematics. So it is a very simple process, and that is not reproducible in other spheres of life. Nothing could be far from truth. This is not a simple notion, this is not a simple calculation. I challenge you to prove to me that 1 plus 1 is 2 in mathematics. I know what you are going to say is one apple and another apple. Both apples together are 2 apples. Yes, but those are apples. Where is the number 2? Think about it. And an excellent explanation of this has been given in Zen and Art of Motorcycle Maintenance by Robert Pirsig. Think about it. A number is just a concept. 1 is a concept, and so 2 is a concept, and 3 is a concept. Very useful concepts, no doubt, but concepts all the same. And that is why numbers don't exist. They exist only as concept, and that is why 1 plus 1 equals to 2 is by definition and not by nature. Why 1 plus 1 becomes 2 is because we define it to be so. And when we define it to be so, we cannot say with circular reasoning that yes, 1 plus 1 is 2, it is so simple. It is so simple because we define it to be so. Think about it. Now we come to the second notion. So many times we have heard the remark, oh, it is not rocket science. What we mean to say is rocket science is extremely complex and complicated subject. And this thing is not so complex nor complicated, it is quite easy, so it is not rocket science. This gives us the notion that rocket science is at the top level when it comes to complexity. Again, completely wrong. If you go by actual complexity, complexity is defined as the number of variables which are concerned in solving an equation. And if we go with this definition, the rocket science is way down at number 30. Because in rocket science, you are not dealing with any live entity. You are dealing with materials, and materials whose behavior is quite well documented or can be quite well established right in the beginning. And all that we have to do is we have to work with their interaction and how we can control that interaction. So considering its comparison with other subjects like even a medicine, this is not very complicated. If you go to your doctor and if he gives you 3 medicines, he knows how each medicine is going to work. But what is going to be the correlation of working of one medicine with the other and the second with the third? You know how many combinations are there? There are almost 300,000 combinations. So complicated. And that is why he has to ask you a number of questions to judge whether any of these would be having a sizable side effect. And what are the subjects which are first 5 in the complex complicated category? We will leave that for another episode of Ancient Wisdom. We will come to the third notion. How many times you have seen somebody coming from outside, drenched in sweat, plopping down on couch and saying, "Oof, I am sweating like a pig." Or you might have said this to him, "You are sweating like a pig." This is a urban superstition, because only a urban person who has never seen a pig would be able to remark like this, "Sweating like a pig." The pig has such thick skin that it cannot sweat. Furthermore, it doesn't have sweat glands. And as a result of which, because it cannot sweat, when it is in hot surroundings, its condition becomes completely unbearable. If it does not find a easy way of drenching out that heat, the pig may also die. It is that critical. So actually, sweating like a pig is an idiom which is to be used when you are feeling extremely uncomfortable, and not when you are sweating. Actually, when you are sweating, the body mechanism is trying to cool your body down, and you are quite comfortable. That is what your body is taking care of. You are sweating like a pig means you are extremely uncomfortable and your body is not able to handle that heat. So remember these 3 urban superstitions that we have broken through today. The first one being 1 plus 1 equals to 2. The second one, rocket science is not all that complicated or complex. And third one, sweating like a pig doesn't have to do anything with sweating. Namaskar.